Check it out. It's the same channel that almost killed me yesterday. Flat calm, and I have it all to myself on a Saturday morning. Shouldn't have said that, but it's nice right now. I think Nora's still in bed back there. Must be nice. Oh, it's been so long. Shore leave for the dog. Canadians pulling crab pots. I am wanting to... I don't know, I'm doing good. Rowing good. Drinking coffee. Thinking that I'm gonna catch the ferry at some point, because I don't like the rough, almost dying, crossing the channels kind of stuff. I prefer the coastal, along the shore, just cruise. Maybe that's what I'll do without catching the ferry, I don't know. Who knows? It's ever changing every minute. Oh wait. Gonna get beached, hold on. So, here's the plan. Here's the plan. I'm gonna aim for right about there. And I'm gonna hope that I end up right on the tip of the island there. See that little island that I'm rowing towards? Not the big mass of land behind it. There's the end of the island right there off the mast. That's where I want to get. And right where the mast is right now is where I'm gonna aim. And hopefully I don't get pushed backwards by all the current that likes to run that way. And even more importantly, the wind doesn't kick up, because it's been out of the north this morning, and that would be against, no, that would be with it. Oh, it's a lot of work. It looks so flat and calm. It's not. So far today's going better than yesterday. I haven't faced catastrophe just yet. And I made 10 miles in about 7 hours. So, it's not a great average, but we're making some progress. Nora's been enjoying some shore leave. I was gonna show you a starfish over here. Some purple starfish, in case you've never seen a purple starfish. Don't worry, it won't take too long. No, I'm not gonna leave without you. See? Purple starfish. We're gonna go try and get through Dodds Narrows, which I think we're going about 6-7 knots during the tides. So if I timed it out right, it should be calm in about 3 hours and just start to move back north. So I'll go through it about half a knot. I don't know what that means or what that looks like, but we're gonna go check it out. 3 more miles to go. We'll see if I even get there. Just got passed by someone in a sea kayak. Looks like he could have been a disabled rower. He didn't have much strength in his arms and had kind of a strange stroke. But anyways, he grows up on me, and that's a lot of stuff. Looks unstable. You're taking a dog? How fast can you go? So then I informed him that he had a trail boat and somebody following him, which he did. Anyways, I don't know. What that was. But I like where I'm sitting. Nora thinks I'm a little too far for shore. Or I can't get the rock, that's probably the deal. Anyway, some people see the boat half full, some people see it half empty. I see the mountains with snow on them. I think I'm gonna stay here. I'm not gonna make it to Dodds Narrows. I'm too tired. Everything's beating against me right now, and I really don't feel like pushing it. So it'll be good to go through again at about 9:30 tomorrow. So I'll hang out here, do some boat chores, maybe take a shower.